Okay, today I'm going to make another painting, and yeah, just hop in. First I will just take the black, and this time I'm just going to take it in the center. And now I'm going to put this one in. Yeah. The first color I'm going to use is gold. Yeah. And then I'm going to use some silver or tin if you like. That doesn't matter. Now I'm going to use copper. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of black. And then gold again. And the rest of the silver. And then copper again. And at the end, a bit of black. And now it's going to be cool. Being very careful now. Look at this, man. Now, for some reason I do not have any more gloves, so this is without it. Just going to let it go to the corners. see. As you can see, there's no waste at all. And just place it where I wanted. Yeah. Right there. Can just tap a little bit at the corners. Just so that it doesn't stay all white. Yeah. Well, let's see when it's dry. So this is at least now before it's dry, and I think it looks good with all the stripes, black, gold, silver and bronze. Yeah, I like it, and I hope you do. And let's see when it's dry. Yes, as you can see, now it's dry. For some reason, the video of me using the blowtorch and popping these air bubbles and a bit of the recording is gone. But either way, I think this one is a beauty. What do you think? And is there any styles you would want to see? Okay, until the next one. Bye.